Man, we done broke down over here?
Broke down on 38th Street.
I ain't trying to die tonight on Triple Y Street on 38th Street tonight.
Look how fucking close they is on my ass.
Hey, wave the world out the window.
Just sit there home, you're watching TV, and your life is passing you by. You keep procrastinating over and over again. Maybe I'll go to school next year, maybe this year. No, do it right now.
Couple thought, but who on the song me? Blue rack stacked up, I'm in love with money. Straight down to the business, ain't with that fugazi. Smoke, drink, count up, and that all the baby. Couple thought, but who on the song me? Blue rack stacked up, I'm in love with money. Straight down to the business, ain't with that fugazi. Smoke, drink, count up, and that all the baby.
Hey yo, what it do is poppin', this is YOUNGBOY'Malic, get on back with that heat. Y'all boys know we get down. If you new here, make sure you subscribe to the gang. If you lame, you can't hang out on bang with you. Hey bro, I know it's been a minute since I dropped a banger, so we finna pipe up one time, you feel me? I know y'all read from that title, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know we finna get slimy. Now check this out, bro. Basically, I'm gonna play this, you know what I'm saying? I got my homeboys number on the way over here right now. You feel me? I told them I wanna do another I went to NBA YoungBoy Hood video, but basically on this one, we gonna have a twist with it. I'm gonna pretend that my car broke down while we in the hood, you know what I'm saying? You know, that ain't no good shit, especially when you ain't from that side, you know what I'm saying? That is not no good shit, so I know they gonna crash out. You know what type of reaction they gonna give me, you know what I'm saying? I got this idea from BJ Groovy, you know what I'm saying? My car won't start prank, but they did it on the way to Alabama, you know what I'm saying? I said I'm gonna go to YoungBoy Hood for this, you know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all spam that like button, pipe up, you know what I'm saying? Them boys on the way over here right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we in the car, and we finna rock out. Let's get it, nigga. And I go Tig and Ant right there. Clark out here. I'm gonna just go about it like I'm vlogging. Them niggas know I do YouTube, they don't really be on shit. And we gonna rock out, you feel me? Look, he already on that bull, look. He already on that bull. That nigga Clark in the cut was down with his you know, that bitch had, you know, that nigga like earned it though.
I don't know fucking earn it, man.
That nigga like earned it, huh? Little smooth ass, little sponge on top of his head, you hear me? You know my nigga in the cut. Oh, he pouring out the mud?
It's the mud right here.
Oh yeah, he on that mud. Hey, we finna slime up, you know what I'm saying? So hey, I'ma catch up with y'all boys when we get in the whip, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna pipe up. Let's get it.
It's HotBoyMalic, we back with that heat. You don't talk like this.
Man, look, hey. Say, bro, hey, they always talking about I don't talk like that, I don't act like, man, that's me, man. You gotta have an intro. How your intro be?
What's poppin', man? It's your boy TZ, and I'm back.
See how dead that is, man? What you wanna do? Standing there like I wanna rock out with him, man. Hey, but we finna. Who? Who?
You ain't say nothing when Lil James said mushing your face.
Who is Lil James?
You know Lil James back in the gap.
Playing with me, man.
Nigga
What
took your
up?
iPod?
What up, man? I got that on camera.
Nigga took your iPod, remember that time? Took your iPod and you was a hoe? Yeah, remember that?
He always bringing up the little time I had got, bro. Me and my cousin got crowded and my iPod got stole. He always bringing it up. Where you was to rock out though?
I wasn't up. You.
Yeah.
You said keep straight on Plank Road, man.
You got it on GPS? Alright, so Clark got it on GPS, so we go to the wrong hood. Y'all know who had to get on.
Don't blame it on me.
Blame it on you.
Nah.
Blame it on the anchor. I do be doing this. I don't be want to take no responsibility. I don't be want to take no responsibility.
on your ass in the comments.
Yeah. I don't be want to take no responsibility, man. Them niggas be on the nigga head. Oh, you on the wrong section. You supposed to, you on the other side. You ain't even on 38. You supposed to go cross the tracks, go in the river, swim under. Go under that pump. All this stupid ass shit, man.
Living like
He ain't even go cross the bridge. He ain't like that. You ain't living like that. You ain't gonna cross the tracks. You sure, baby?
Yeah, just said keep straight, bro.
Say, I don't know if y'all got a Krispy Kreme where y'all at, but every time this light come on, bro, niggas be out there. Nigga don't eat donuts like that unless it's for church. I only eat donuts for church.
Krispy Kreme donuts.
Oh, I got us a little angle.
I got the little.
We 4 deep in the Monte Carlo. Destined and disgusted, trying to make it to tomorrow. When I borrow, I gave back. Finish it off, Clark.
You had to be in my with that shit.
And yo,
Oh, yeah, Highland.
Well, what you gonna do then?
Ain't like Jason behind. What's up?
It ain't like that, you know. What you gonna do then?
I'm trying to get
It may be rumbling a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, man. I'm
got to shit. Oh, man.
Your mouth smell like.
I gotta go.
tell you that, boy. I tell you that, boy. Yeah, you feel your mouth smell like it. You fucking talk about crazy ass boy. I got to shit.
How my mouth smell like shit?
I'm just fucking with you, bro. I'm just fucking with you. Look, he about to feel play. What you want to get out the car, have a little scar for?
Get out then.
Get out the car, have a little scar.
A whole fucking week later.
Look at a whole see how he did his mouth?
I get my tie changed in 24, less than 24 hours.
If something happened to my car, I'ma get it fixed. If anything happened to my car, I'ma get it
I
fixed.
go to New Orleans, caught a black, came back and got another time. Big ball of shit.
That bitch said a whole. That ain't did his neck. He said a whole week. That bitch took a whole week. Come on, man. You trying to play something, you hear me? And the whole time I know it was wrong with my car, but it was a starter relay, you feel me?
Nigga, about boogie people, he had like boogie people fucking trying to find out what's going on and shit. Nigga,
and ain't nobody know.
Took the starter part, took the fucking transmission shit part.
Clip trying to take shit out there, ain't got nothing to do with it.
Man, probably the gas tank shit. Empty the gas tank shit.
That bitch was all under my car, fucking with shit. They ain't got nothing to do with it.
Gotta be a radiator. You had your radio too loud. That's probably the problem.
They did that water. Did you at least have water in it?
Where water got?
Whole lot of HBS, you know what I'm saying?
We get a feel for the people real quick.
Cup your old lady too. Please cup your old lady, because Clark will take her.
Look, all my niggas clutching, we got K cutters. Play with me, we whipping down, we gonna bust you.
Yeah.
My main dude, man, he straight up. I can't do this.
Hold on, man. Get the, hey. The whole time he waiting to crack his joke. I'm getting ready to freestyle. He's sitting there like this the whole time. I can't wait till you start saying something. Man, your breath stinks. Hey, get out the car, man. What you want to do?
Don't flex them, man. They gon' call the cops. Cup full of lean, we on promethazine. Nigga hit you with that 40, I bet you nigga bleed. Nigga know we from New Orleans. We might take a trip, we might go to sleep. His sleeve up, he in the Mustang. My nigga Malik, yeah, we got the Mustangs. My nigga T's on the side of me, clutch things. But I ain't gon' say too much, man. We up, man.
My dog Ed, man, he rolling off the double cup. Me and HBL, man, you know you better not mess with us. Bless with us, man, we coming through with choppers. We coming down, whip down, and you know we about to rock you. My main dude, he got jacked, so I gotta see about that. Play with me, nigga, you bleeding crying, man, you pouting. Yeah, and all my niggas about that murder play. Play with me, nigga, we about to shoot up where your mother's lay.
I'm HBL, dude say that he gon' smoke with us. But I be I always mess up the session, man.
Shit, you should've stayed in the right lane, ass.
I thought they said make a left.
Both of them bitches okay.
How sharp the right gotta be? Sharp or
Pencil sharp.
pencil
Man, look at that car. I got an Instagram. They shit. God damn.
Oh my god.
Your window down.
Oh, your window down, bro.
Nigga done blew his fucking back off.
He must have had axes in this shit.
That nigga shit melting.
That nigga shit like a fucking beehive or something.
He got a
Shit, I'm here right now on 38th Street. Show the street, man. You just got us. Look at that little puppy. I should have killed that
fucking
shit.
cat, boy.
I should have wiped his nose. We on 38th, we wiping noses, nigga.
That's a cat, man. You talking
Alright,
about?
so we on Chipper 138. Let me see. Why that white car following us?
I don't know.
Should I hit the block? Fucking white car following us, man.
Hit the block.
Yeah. Oh, pull up with that boom boom. Swerve with that coon coon. You know, yeah, on all that.
Alright.
Bitch, ain't this Chippewa?
This Chippewa 38 right there. But okay.
Okay, well, let me turn around,
Nah, just make sure.
I got a double back.
Yeah, double bag. No driving ass.
I don't want to just keep riding around, though.
So what, nigga, what? What, you pussy?
I'm saying we steady.
God damn.
We going, but when we going 5, you seen the ops?
No, shit, no. Nigga,
You seen the ops?
I ain't seen shit.
I seen him.
Yeah, you seen them?
I seen him.
Shit.
Y'all don't be looking, but I be looking.
Police right there,
But
man.
you need to turn around and go too far.
You blame
I am about to turn around.
It's one of the drink this shit quick as a bitch.
Malik, you going the wrong way. Oh my God.
What?
You cannot go this way. This one way street.
Oh, shit.
God.
And we go,
Oh my God.
hey, look. Hey, oh God. I'm tripping. Hey, but for real though, something going on with my whip. That's why I ain't turning that way.
hell no.
That's why I was trying to tell you, you don't fucking listen. He already fucking ran the red light, y'all.
We almost got our goddamn nose right because you ain't tell me in time.
Look, this nigga ran the red light, bro. Finna get our ass fucking nose white.
Oh, man, get out there, man. Paperwork, man. Oh, no, he doing that bad, man. They got people all outside.
I'm not outside, nigga. We fucking see a
I see the little girl running, man.
Girls.
The poachers ready. That's young boy, cuz. Something wrong with my shit, though.
You gonna pull in front of somebody's house?
My shit tripping.
We done broke down over here?
Oh, man, we straight. Hold on.
I'm straight. Nigga, I'm trying to be. I ain't supposed to be in no Chippewa.
I don't even want to really get out to keep it deep.
You pussy?
Come with me to check the hood.
What is doing? Pulling something?
That nigga said pull him. That nigga say pull him. Lord, this nigga got out. Nigga car broke down in front of somebody's house, man.
My car done broke down on 38th Street. We own Chippewa 38. That bitch tripping, man.
Shit, post some lean in that motherfucker.
Hey, we can't just hop out like this. Like we like.
trying to see what's wrong with our whip.
I mean, I am.
You got a good battery.
What is
I
doing?
gotta get the fucking water. I need to make sure you got water in the battery.
Hold
I
on,
don't
hold on.
feel like this, man.
Man, I don't know what the fuck going on with my shit.
What you doing?
I'm trying to start my car. Y'all niggas act like that shit funny. I'm trying to see what it is.
Let me tell you something, bro. You need to get shit together, alright? I ain't trying to drive tonight on Chippewa Street on 38th Street tonight, alright?
Alright, nigga. You need to be looking in the road, nigga. You act like we from around here.
Nigga, alright?
Something told me not to get in this YouTube video. I was at home chilling, and now I'm out here stuck. How am I explaining to my daddy that I got shot on Chippewa Street when I was supposed
And
to
that
be at
bitch
home?
doing that same shit it did
Come on,
when
man,
it started
put
on
gas to
tripping.
the shit. Do something, fuck. Come put your breath on the battery and just get heating up.
Man, we gonna have to push this bitch probably.
Push it, but hey, put it in,
We gonna
put it in neutral. We can bag it up right here.
man, I ain't how we gonna get home? I ain't about to leave my shit out here, bro.
What you mean? You fucking straight? Fuck, we gonna find out the problem.
That's what's wrong with these new Mustangs. You should have got you a Buick.
The fuck I'ma do with a Buick? Stupid ass. These niggas playing like we ain't stuck out here.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I am a little nervous out here. You know what I'm saying?
Man, I'm about to walk to the little corner store and see if I can see somebody get a boost. To the corner store, nigga, right there.
Let me know how it goes.
All of us, nigga. Well, one of y'all wait with my car, cause I don't want no nigga going in my shit.
Oh, I'll wait in your car, and I might start it and try to get it back home. Why
Fuck you gonna look car riding down here, lights off. Oh my God. They done put the headlights off on the slime. They done put the headlights off. I don't think this shit safe, no.
Man, we don't need no help from no thug ass niggas out the gate.
Dude, quit, alright. Dude, look at this dude.
We straight, baby.
Oh, he like the police.
Go ahead, baby.
Pop in it. That nigga like a pawpaw, man. Hey, I'm about to just walk.
Nigga, it's legal. I can carry my shit.
Hey, come with me down the street, and we gonna see if we get
I'm
somebody
trying
to
to
get
see
a
where he
boost.
going with this gun holster.
Put that shit up on your dog. Right there.
Oh, no, I don't play with
Oh,
dogs.
shit.
I don't play with
He started reaching for his gun.
I'm about to take over.
Look out. Hey, let's just get in the car. Hey, Clark, do the hood.
Look how pussy nigga said.
Dude, close the hood, man.
I thought a nigga fix your shit.
That nigga said, I don't know, bro. Bitch.
Temporary your shit.
Yeah, it's gonna last a few days, but you gonna need it. This will get you in about Monday.
This gonna get you for about 30 miles and you gonna even
You saw how fast you fucking move that dog came.
Nigga, I don't play with dogs, nigga.
Nigga like you fucking hard got the ass.
Hey, that car done hit the block like 2 times, that Mustang.
You don't give a fuck, got that iron on his ass. Try it, get a little juice, try to get a little juice.
Oh, yeah. That bitch still doing that shit.
Here she go with this shit.
bullshit.
We stuck out here. Yeah, hold on, get on camera.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
$1.50.
No, I ain't gonna
get out.
Y'all got cash on y'all?
Yeah, kept my shit up.
All I got is on my
All
card.
we got is cards.
Okay.
All right now.
Fucking crazy.
That dude, that told us.
Now that's Chippewa Street for you.
She gonna say, you ain't even got $1.50. You could have a whole. You got a whole of Popeyes, bitch. For your, come on now.
You want to spend money on chicken and
Oh
then
yeah. Oh yeah, bitch. Take me home.
we
Take us to T-Car.
That bitch just started random.
Son, you gotta get that fixed, son. Real tough.
Got the relay
You in this old fancy car, I can't get 30 miles.
Now she walked her head past.
You right, I gotta get up.
Yeah. Please
Turn
do.
this bitch off.
Boy,
Don't turn the bitch on. Cause we got lights on. She ain't trying to bust with her ass on this bitch tonight. That nigga ain't get on the car. He did this.
Yeah, I was about to do this shit.
You could've just hopped out and got that bitch real quick.
Cuz in that
I think that's
Mustang.
the house right there, son.
Which one?
That bitch back there.
Porch on
Cause there's a little White House next to it on Google Maps.
See that fucking
Oh,
Mustang following us though.
Oh, is it this one? I don't know.
That fucking gold Mustang that came down the street, headlights off, then they done hit the block, and now they coming back up the street.
Oh yeah, that's them.
Look how fucking close they is on my ass.
Hey, wave the road out the window.
You gotta see the light on though.
Hold on. Hey, this that same. Oh, they turning.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
about
about to say this. Hey, we about to say this. That same Mustang following us, bro.
Last in the baby body.
They don't got no lines open up in here right now. You talking to me like that, dude? Say. You see how he acting? You see how he acting?
Fucking rough ass hair. That's what we gonna have.
Who baby gonna have rough hair?
Your rough ass hair.
His baby gonna come out looking like Ernie. Look at that, look at that. Ernie vibe. Ernie vibe. He looking for something to say with your dents ass. You see that? He was thinking of something to say with that dents ass. Stupid ass boy. He felt play. He was thinking of a comeback. He did this. Stupid ass boy. Yeah, don't have you wipe your nose, man. Whole lot of slime shit.
Something on you fucked up.
Ain't 100%.
Who this bit right here look like? Look, me. That bitch do look like you, lady.
Twinsies.
Man, you look just like that bitch.
Twinsies.
Muffin.
Hello. Yeah, this the plug. What you need?
I'm gonna put some music on.
Coach Taylor, he asked for his jacket back.
I'm so tired of dude wearing that coach jacket. Baby looking a lot like he a coach. I said blitz. Throw the flag. Throw the flag. Hey, so Clark don't be dressing like a coach. Ooh, look at this football coach, man.
Challenge flag. He gonna challenge everything.
He done Billy check.
Oh no, that's a pass interference, man. Come on, Ralph. That's a pass interference.
Hunt it up.
Get that coach looking
That
at
Sean Payton when they played the Rams.
Look,
Come to me.
that be like him.
Fuck like me, man.
Him looking at. Went to Gamewell, and I had it was an old game. It came out last year, I think, but I ain't never get a chance to get on buy CDs no more, bro. If you still buying CDs, bro, unless you just like a collector, my nigga. You feel me? But them CD days over with. Nigga don't buy CDs no more. Hold on, let's.
No,
The best day to wear a striped sweater is all the time.
I know they like, man, who them niggas
Yeah,
is?
let me see. Say close. Leave me over here.
Dude see me singing that shit, he's like, the fuck?
they finna catch they lit one. You hear me? Yeah.
Come over here, man. You trying to do me, bro?
Yeah. Bathroom type shit. Ooh. Clark with the push. Malik, you gonna scrape back or you just gonna look? Uh-oh.
What up?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Yay.
It's like a little bobblehead.
Ooh. Killer.
I know how to hit that bitch now. I did it. I did it.
Yeah, you were hitting that bitch. Hey.
He turned.
That's some shit.
Hey, hey.
Hit that bitch to your Chris. You being small as fuck.
Extra medium. Hey, y'all got an extra medium in this motherfucker. Look at him. Oh,
Hey, I got a case.
Look at him. He gonna lay around there and get us demonetized. Oh, you good, bro? Slime came out of nowhere. Follow me. I don't know y'all, man.
What up? Some money real quick. Hey, let me talk to you real quick.
Who?
You owe my cousin some
Talk to who? I just got a free meal from a dude who kinda looked homeless, came up, gave us a ticket. Basically, you buy one, get one free, so Clark paid his food and I used to use the ticket. So you know what I'm saying? I just hit a lick on a free meal, bro. Cause I know you hit a lick. Buku toast. Back at the crib, bro. Hey, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed that video, bro. Make sure y'all spam that like button, bro. Make sure y'all hit me up on my social media for those video requests, you know what I'm saying? We rocking out, we piping up all year, you feel me? I'm tired of this cause, and a nigga apartment, you gotta come up the stairs first, you feel me? I be running up the stairs, nigga be all out of breath and shit. But make sure you subscribe to the gang if you lame, you can't hang out on bang with you. And to the next video, HBL.
And you know this, man.
I was thinking I was